politics being played. Akhilesh Yadav says it's a BJP vaccine. I'm not going to take it. I don't trust it.
What I am not very clear is what is the stand of Congress on every issue. They are just now fluctuating between one extreme to another extreme. And another important thing is they are neither appreciating nor accepting any of the Indian institutions. All the institutions are being degenerated and degraded by the Congress. They will not accept the drug controller of India. They will not accept the scientists. They will not accept the work of our vaccine manufacturers, which have got space across the globe. India is considered to be leader in vaccine manufacturing. So when India is taking this lead, after such a long effort, which has been applauded even by WHO as today come out with a statement appreciating the Bharat vaccine. So what is the problem with Congress? I can't understand. Do they don't believe in our institutions? Do they have lost every faith in all our professionals' capabilities, or only they have only Shashi Tharoor for them and Jairam Ramesh are the only two intelligent people in India?
Mr. Gopal, it's not wrong to raise a doubt, but to politicize the matter, I'd really raise objections to what Akhilesh Yadav said, as in compared to what Shashi Tharoor has said. Akhilesh Yadav calls this the BJP vaccine, says, I'm not going to take it. When हमारी सरकार आएगी तो सबको free vaccine देंगे.
नहीं, अखिलेश को तो छोड़ दीजिए, वो तो बेकार आदमी है. उनका क्या वजूद है यहाँ पे भारत की पॉलिटिक्स में? उनका है क्या स्टैंड? वो कांग्रेस का फिर भी है, तो उनको तो कम से कम भारत के इंस्टीट्यूशंस की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. What is expected of Congress? Congress should respect the professional competence of our institutions, our doctors, our scientists.
You're saying the Congress members cannot raise a doubt and ask a question over approval of a vaccine which will be inoculating the entire population. One can remember one slip and the adverse effect in one case can really send out shockwaves.
If they have, they can raise, but that doubt on these matters have to be from well-documented research doubt. Just a political statement by this Shashi Tharoor, and what they know about vaccines. Have they done any research? They do know how the Bharat Biotech vaccine has been approved. Are they above
Gaurav wants to respond to that. Go on, Gaurav.
Okay. Nabila, Dr. Gagandeep Kang, a most respected Indian doctor in the vaccine generation or the vaccine discovery. What is her statement? You know, I quote, I don't think we should be approving a vaccine that has no efficacy data. And unfortunately, Covaxin is not having the third phase efficacy data still out. I am telling, why not Mr. Agarwal be given the Covaxin? Why Prime Minister is not given
so
Covaxin?
When I will be given vaccine, he will say the BJP people are getting it.
No, not in between. Have some decency. Number two, my second question. That yesterday morning,
if I may interrupt you, there are some of the politicians in a few states who've already got the vaccine very secretly. The names are not out, but they've got it. In fact, one of them
and when I will get it, then he will say that the BJP spokesperson are getting it priority.
Nabila, my question
I think what
to
we
Mr.
should be
Agarwal.
doing here is pay respect and, of course, really respect those volunteers who come forward to become guinea pigs, if I can say that. They've taken all the risk and come out to volunteer. So let's respect the results based on the volunteers and their vaccines administered to those volunteers. The results there really mean a lot to us because they've come forward to do it. So let's stick to that and go on. Gaurav.
Nabila, second point. Yesterday, Health Minister told that everybody is going to get free vaccine. After 3 hours, I don't know, he might have got a phone call from Prime Minister that there is no free. Wherever there is an election, free vaccine. Now Bihar se gaadi chali jayegi, Bengal se Assam. See, stop your lies, stop your governance or politicization on the disease or on the pandemic. Every Indian should be given free vaccine, the best vaccine available in the world, and that vaccine should complete all protocols which were decided by our doctors and researchers. That is the Congress stand on the vaccine.